Peeps, one of the hot topics for debate at this moment in Jamaica is the traffic pile-up and gridlock created along the Palisadoes main road on New Year's Day as party patrons block the road, parking vehicles on both sides and having party in the road. You understand? This created inconvenience for persons wanting to reach the airport to catch their flights to leave the island, and persons coming into the country were stranded at the airport for hours upon hours. About 7 hours I am getting to understand.
The struggle is real. Now watch, a rapper crapper they represent for teach them. Don't forget to like, don't forget to share, so make sure you subscribe. The channel is real. We come back for more.
SANDZ Part 2, the roadside edition. When SANDZ lock off, people they make their own party on the road. Jamaican with things there. Only Jamaica.
The reports at this point in time are a bit conflicting, and some reports are suggesting that the traffic pile-up was a direct result of the SANDZ event, and some reports are saying it was after the SANDZ event ended, persons now blocked off the road and continued the partying. You understand? However, it would suggest to me or appear to me that the persons who attended the SANDZ event that was being held at Gunboat Beach along the Palisadoes just park any and anywhere, and based on my understanding after doing some research, I'm of the opinion that arrangements were made for parking. However, apparently the people them just never into that.
Here we have the designated parking lot for SANDZ on New Year's Day. You're gonna keep left at the airport roundabout, and then you're gonna take the second right turn, and then here you're gonna have the parking lot. We're gonna board the shuttle bus and go back to the venue. So look out for the parking signs, okay?
So many questions have been raised, both locally and internationally. We've seen where Minister of National Security, Robert Montague, demanded a report by 12 noon today from Commissioner of Police, Quallo, and Quallo himself came out and publicly apologized, saying sorry for the situation on his Twitter account, and he was saying that he was unable to give full detail until the traffic department placed the report on his desk. The traffic department, however, are saying that they weren't made aware of the event until in the night when the chaos started long ago. You understand what I say? So it appears that there was some communication breakdown by the council, the Kingston and SANDZ corporation, who granted the license for the event to take place, and the police high command. So there was chaos.
Traffic out there.
So many persons were inconvenienced, persons coming into the country, persons wanting to leave the country. Imagine booking your flight and you are out on your way to the airport and you are stuck in traffic for 7 hours and you miss a flight. Imagine coming into the country and you are stuck in traffic for 7 hours along the Palisadoes, wanting to get home to see your family and friends. You understand? And some persons actually find it to be amusing, because some people had to come out of the vehicles that they were in and actually walk to the airport, and many persons found it amusing.
Oh no, you can't flight, mister! You killer!
The organizers of the event have come out and apologized, and they say that there were concerns initially before the license was granted by the Kingston and SANDZ corporation, but those concerns were addressed and they were given the go-ahead to do so. Now it transformed into something really and truly inconvenient for many Jamaicans. We also see now where the KSAC, the mayor himself, Delroy Williams, has issued a statement saying that all events, entertainment events along the Palisadoes will be banned for the short term. No more license. But isn't it a bit too late, retroactive? You understand? In retrospect, that probably should not have happened in the first place. Don't get me wrong, partying and entertainment is a part of our culture, and different people ringing the new year in different ways. This was the choice made by many Jamaicans, and that is fine. You understand what I say? But in hindsight, I am not entirely sure that the Palisadoes, being a direct link to the Norman Manley International Airport, should have been allowed to host an event of that magnitude. You understand what I say? So the authorities would have gotten this wrong. Persons are saying it was a business transaction and business is business. But at the end of the day, the country would have lost out and would have garnered a less than positive reputation for something we never have to do. You understand what I say? And I said many persons would have been inconvenient. Many persons would have missed their flights, and it's just not a good look. So peeps, there's a lesson to be learned here. I mean, at the end of the day, we'll party and we'll have fun, but we need to be cognizant of the fact that other persons who are going about their business need to be allowed to do so. You cannot park on the two sides of the road and then at the middle of the road in some instances, and then if you're not parking at the middle of the road, you're frolicking and partying in the middle of the road, preventing persons from going about their business. Nobody not stop from having no fun, you know. You understand? But at the end of the day, we need for understand that selfishness is not the way to go, and other persons have other things to do when we are enjoying ourselves. You understand what I say? So let this be a lesson. Let this be a situation that is not repeated, and let the authorities realize that the only thing worse than being blind is having sight but no vision. My God. This video was made possible through the continued generosity of my patrons. To become a patron, follow the link in the description below. Thank you for watching the video. Drop a like and a comment down below, and consider subscribing if you haven't done so as yet. Until next time, walk good.